How to dropship with TikTok Shop. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the different ways that you can get started with TikTok Shop as a dropshipper. This has to be one of the largest opportunities that I am seeing. You guys have already seen how Instagram is allowing people to sell product and websites are now linked in Instagram, but TikTok Shop is still a growing market, especially for people that are looking into dropshipping. TikTok has created their own Seller Central as well and can be a great way for optimized dropshipping. Not only that, but dropshipping platforms are also now linking to TikTok Shop. They're helping you build your TikTok Shop stores and sell these products. So, firstly, the first thing that you have to do is create your TikTok Shop to be able to dropship with TikTok. So to dropship with TikTok, just go on to business.tiktokshop.com and you're going to click on Get Started. Now, from here, you will see there are four things that they are advertising or displaying: live shopping, shoppable videos, product showcases, and a shop tab. These are four ways that you can incentivize your viewers or people that come across your videos to purchase products. So firstly, you have live shopping, which basically means that if you are a internet personality, if you are someone that is looking to expand their dropshipping business and you are fine with doing live streams, you can do live streams and display and use the product and you can link those products. Then you have shoppable videos. Now, these are amazing for dropshippers because you can find these shoppable videos for a lot of dropshipped product and you can just repost them or repurpose them and you will be able to still garner a lot of audiences. And you can even create shoppable videos off of, direct product listings. If you go on Alibaba, AliExpress, nowadays you see a lot of videos that they have created using their product and displaying their product. Then you have a direct product showcase, which just serves as a e-commerce store. And then you have a shopping tab where people can just search for different types of products. So from here, you're going to scroll down and you can get started as a seller. So from here, just click on Learn More. This will open up the Seller Shop Central. Click on the region that you're selling in, click on Enter. We're going to be signing up as a global seller. Then I'm just going to log in to my account. I am going to log in with my email address. And once I've done that, as you guys can see, this is my TikTok shop over here. And I have to complete, my information first, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Firstly, you have to complete your information. This includes your identity information, and there are a lot of queries about whether or not TikTok, is stealing my data, or if I'm providing too much info to TikTok. One thing to note is that you are going to provide your personal info to TikTok. The reason for that is TikTok Shop is very stringent with their criteria. And because of that, if you want to sign up as a seller, you have to provide them either with an LLC, so you can sign up with an LLC, or your personal social security info, or the last four digits. So those are like the two primary options. If you have an LLC, it gets it gets your account approved really fast. So definitely do sign up with an LLC if you have one. But even if you don't, you can just go on to TikTok Shop and you are going to type in the type, select the type of business you're running. Let's say I'm an individual selling under my own name, not as a registered business. Then click on Next, and you're going to either upload your US passport or US driver's license or, whichever place you're located in. After you have verified that, you're going to provide them with some other personal info verification. And then your application to open a shop on TikTok is going to approved. It takes around 5 to 10 days for you to hear back from TikTok whether your shop is approved or not. Now, okay, we have a shop, but how do we find products? Because AliExpress or Alibaba, they are not dropshipping platforms. And as a dropshipper, it's really important to find the best supplier, find the best prices, find the best automations. Now, the cheapest way to source products is definitely direct supplier contact. So, for example, if I'm looking to sell dresses on TikTok, I can go into dresses on TikTok. This is a really popular design. I can open this up. Then if I scroll down, I can see the supplier info. I can open up the supplier info from here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on contact supplier and you can send them an email or you can send them a chat message and you can ask them, Do you support, and there are some really important questions you need to ask. Now, some of those questions include, do you have dropshipping services? This should be your first question to any supplier that you're finding, because if they don't support dropshipping, then what's the point of you asking? So you want to ask if they support dropshipping, if they are willing to provide customized packaging, if they are going to provide you with a sample product, if they can provide you with bulk discounts. Now, you might say, hey, I'm not ordering product in bulk. Well, if you are able to provide them with sustainable sales, so if you can guarantee a certain number of sales to them, then it's really important that you negotiate a discount, because all these suppliers do provide you with a further discount if you are able to provide steady sales. So you can chat with them about that. Then you can also ask them about whether they are a direct supplier, so that just means the factory where the products are made, or if they are a third party in between. So a lot of listings on Alibaba are from third parties in between. These people usually link suppliers to people like us that are looking to dropship. But keep in mind, your prices might sky up a little, but these third parties do a great job in communication. So there are, pros and cons to every option. Then you want to also ask about the fastest routes that they have, the type of deliveries they offer, and you're going to ask that in regards to the target country you have. So if you're looking to do most of your sales in Australia, so you want to ask them, what are your routes to Australia? How fast can shipping be? What would be the average shipping cost of product? So you want to negotiate all of that. Now, an easier way to do this is to create an account on Deezers. Now, Deezers is a online platform that is basically made for dropshipping. So you can use Deezers as a way to find amazing discounted and nice products from direct suppliers. And Deezers serves as a online software that connects your products to your store. And the best part about using Deezers is that you guys can see they have a bunch of different amazing products. And if you go onto settings on Deezers, you have the option to directly link your TikTok shop. So you can click on link to more stores. And when you have the option for stores, now you have a TikTok US store and a general TikTok store. So you have these two amazing options to sell your product. Now, this ensures that your orders are directly sent to suppliers. You don't have to, manually type out every order and send that to the supplier. Those will be automatically done. Order fulfillment is automatically done. And a lot of the more complicated steps are handled by Deezers and TikTok. So you are going to be far, far, far less busy with handling the, mechanics of your dropshipping store. So I hope you guys are now able to start dropshipping on TikTok. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries regarding TikTok Shop or suppliers or anything else, leave that in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and have a great day ahead.